Good day. For today's video, I will demonstrate on how to submit online enrollment and/or admission. On the login page, click the online enrollment and/or admission above the logo. After a while of processing, you will be redirected to the enrollment registration page. School calendar, grade level, current status, last name, first name, birth date, gender, current address, province, municipality, barangay, contact number, and email address, a required field to successfully submit the registration. For this demo, let's select School Calendar, SY 2020-2021, grade level to grade 1. Enrollment date is system-generated date. For current status, transferee and old student are required to fill the student LRN and student ID field. For this demo, let's select New Student. Last name, test. First name, data. Middle name is optional field, let's leave it as blank. Birth date could be typed manually or can be selected on the date picker. Gender, let's say male. Religion field and citizenship are optional fields. Current address, let's say Perak test. Province, municipality, and barangay are auto-complete fields. Contact number, for example 091234567891. Email address. Make sure the email you entered is correct and valid. The email address is very important because an email will be sent later on when successfully enrolled. Previous school enrolled and address are optional field. We can leave this field blank. Also, father's name, mother's name, guardian's name and occupations are optional field. We can leave this field blank. For demo purposes, let's enter father's name is test, father name and occupation, self-employed. Additional questions are asked depending on your current status and preferences. We can click all that applies or uncheck all if none. It is recommended to check all the information provided before submitting. Once all fields are verified, click the Submit button. A modal window will pop up when successfully registered. Wait for an email message confirming that you are successfully enrolled. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.